Hello guys, this is Andrew here, your sales consultant at Step One Volkswagen in Fort Walton Beach. Hola, aquí les habla Andrew, su ayudante en ventas en Step One Volkswagen de Fort Walton Beach. Alright, so if somebody's nervous, you don't have to be. That's why I'm here to help you either translate or help you with all the process and everything that you need to do with documentations and all the stuff that you need to bring in order to get the car going with you at your house today. That'll be by translating everything on the process that you have on the credit application, on the documents that you need to sign, and the financing, so you can go home with the car of your dream without any questions or any doubts. The one thing that I always make sure the customer understands once they leave is that not only they purchase a dream car, but also we'll be always checking up on them and make them feel like a family, because that's what they become, a family. Whether they need any help with the Carfax or any documentations or any services, we'll be glad to help them all the time. Alright, the customer appreciates the most is that so many concerns or questions or doubts that they may have, and they really feel like shy or anything to translate it and ask them in English as they may not understand. They get answer right there at that moment and translate it in Spanish, so they can come and ask all the questions and concerns and doubts at that moment. So that'll be something that they can appreciate more than anything when they're purchasing a car. Thank you guys again. So if you're looking to trade, buy or sell your car, don't forget to come see me, Andrew. I'll be glad to help you.